is Oliver Fletcher, and I'll be able to talk to you about additive manufacturing. I'm an additive manufacturing engineer with Schivo Group. So Schivo are a precision engineering subcontract manufacturing partner, supplier to the medical device technology center and the aerospace industry. So Schivo consists of 3 plants in Waterford, employing over 150 people. And then we have a site in Leicester, which employs 40 people. So we're certified to ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and the Aerospace Standard 9100. And we have approvals from Rolls-Royce, Airbus, and Bombardier. So Schivo's 3D printing capability. So Schivo is Stratasys business partner in Ireland in the UK. So on site, we have 2 400 MC machines. We build volume of roughly 400 by 300 by 400, and then we have 1 900 MC machine. These are full production grade machines, ranging from about 250,000 to 500,000 euros. Within the network, then we're connected to over 200 FDM machines. This is directly through Stratasys and their business partners. We're partnered with Boston Scientific and the Warwick Institute of Technology on an EOS M280 metal printer. This is for a research basis, and the machine is on site and seen just across the road from WIT. So I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about additive manufacturing technology and some of the associated technologies that go with it. So we've got Fuse FDM, which is fuse deposition modeling. We have SLS, which is selective laser sintering, PolyJet, SLA, and then ColorJet. A number of these we would use on site in Schivo, and then we have access to all the rest of them through the partnership. So in simple terms, FDM is a filament-based technology where the filament is extruded in a semi-liquid state through tips. This is done using layers 2D on top of each other until you get a 3D object. Once the model is built, the support material is broken away, and you're left with the finished product. So laser sintering is a powder bed technology where a laser sinters powder on individual layers. A recoder arm would come across and lay a new powder down. Again, this is then sintered again by the laser until a 3D object is created. The model is then removed, and the powder is being washed away, vacuumed away until the finished part is in hand. Next, another one we use in-house is PolyJet. This is a photopolymers where it is UV cured. So the print head will lay it down with photocurable polymer, and then it will be UV cured. Again, once the process is finished, the support material is blasted away, and you're left with your finished part. Stereolithography, what's known as SLA, uses a liquid-based polymer, which is again is UV laser. So it's laser cured. The build bed would drop down, and each layer then is lasered. This then is the support is then broken away, and the excess liquid is washed away. So ColorJet, the JS750, the new Stratasys machine, uses similar technologies. It's a powder bed technology where the ink color is injected into the white powder. This is then built up layer by layer again. It's put into an oven to harden. Once cured, then you're left with your end product. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about fuse deposition modeling, as this is, I suppose, the biggest technology that we use. It's been around for over 25 years. It's layer-based, as I said, it's built in 2D. Layers are built in 2D to create a 3D part. It's filament-based, it's extruded through tips in a semi-liquid state. So FDM is ideal for building durable components with complex geometries in nearly any shape and size. FDM is the only 3D printing process that uses materials such as ABS, polycarbonates, and neotones. FDM can create parts, prototypes with outstanding thermal and chemical resistance and excellent strength-weight ratios. So I just want to talk a little about the value chain, I suppose what goes on behind the scenes the customer will come to us with an idea generation. They'll develop a CAD file with us. Next, we'll talk about the application of what they're actually going to use the part for, whether it's going to be in the aerospace, going to production, automotive. We assess then what materials are suitable for this part. Generally, a part would dictate what materials you can use with the technologies. We'll then slice the part into all the different layers. This is common amongst all technologies for the additive manufacturing. The part is then orientated. Again, the part is orientated depending on the complex geometries and what surface finishes the customers are looking for. From there, then, the part is manufactured, and it will go through post-processing to finish the part off. So I suppose, what does the customer see? The customer will come to us with a CAD file, and within a matter of a couple of hours, they can leave with a finished product. Now, this is different from subcontract subtractive manufacturing, where it can take weeks and weeks for you to get your part. Using this technology, cut that down to a few hours. So this is a part that we machine in-house on a regular basis. We looked at this part and said, well, what isn't needed anymore in this if we were to change out additive manufacturing techniques. So we removed all the excess material, we kept all the channels that were needed, and through this then we were able to print this using the direct metal laser sintering machine and using the FDM force grade machines in-house. So I just want to talk to you a little about the traditional supply chain. We come across this very often in the precision side of the factory. We're looking at long lead times, high manufacturing costs, high carbon footprint. So, and I suppose with Brexit and the way everything's going in the world, the possibilities of import taxes, how will 3D printing fit into all of this? So the vision is that each country, or there'll be bureaus that can manufacture these 3D printed parts on site, and you'll see a lot of these located around in Germany, Turkey, in the Middle East, Australia. They're all coming on board now with the idea that it's just raw material straight to the factory, and we can deliver a part straight to the customer. So this leads me into the global manufacturing network that Schivo is part of, using other Stratasys. So as you can see, there's 4 partners in Europe, 1 in the Pacifics, 1 in the Middle East, and 5 in America. Now this gives us Schivo access to a whole range of variety of machines, and will help us reduce lead times. So Schivo gets a large order in, you can go to any one of these networks and utilize their machines. So I can program the machine remotely. We can send it directly then to another partner's machine, and they can build it for us. And the beauty of having these partnerships are that we're nearly always guaranteed that if they print the part for us and I print the part, you won't get no difference where the part's coming from. So the partner capacity, we have 50 to 400 MC machines dotted around the country, around the world, and then we've got 2450 MCs and another further 2,900 MCs, which gives us huge capacity. And then alone in Eden Prairie, where Stratasys is based, we've now got 70 machines that are exposed to 2450s and over 3,900 MC machines.